students, welcome to my zoology class. Today we will learn topic 1.3 Salient features of phylum Chordata. So Chordata is the Greek word. In Greek, chord means cord or string, ata means bearing. Simply, chordata means bearing a cord, that is a notochord. Chordates varies in range only till 49,000 of the species. It is commonly predicted that there are 2,500 species of amphibian, 6,000 species of reptiles, 9,000 species of birds, and around 4,500 species of mammals. Chordates vary in size from medium to large size, also from a gigantic blue whale to a freshwater smallest fish. The chordates are considered among the most ecological successful and largest animals existing today. They are able to occupy in any type of habitats and have made themselves adaptable to many kinds of situations which make them fit to survive. Chordates are found in freshwater, that is aquatic habitat, sea water, that is marine habitat, and in the air, that is aerial habitat, or on land, that is a terrestrial habitat, from the poles to the equator. Some fundamental features of chordates are, that is a presence of notochord. What is notochord? A fairly stiff rod of cartilage that extends along the inside of the body. Among the vertebrates subgroup of chordates, the notochord develops into the spine, and in wholly aquatic species this helps the animal to swim by flexing its tail. The function of notochord is gives support to the body. Notochord is a stiff rod like structure which is made up of cartilage. In some vertebrate animal it is found in larval stages only, and some vertebrate it found throughout the life, and it extends from the head to tail. So key characteristic feature of the chordate, that is they have a notochord. Another one fundamental feature of a chordate, that is a dorsal neural tube. In fish and other vertebrates, they develops into the spinal cord, the main communicates trunk of the nervous system. The third important feature of the chordate, that is presence of pharyngeal gill slits. Pharynx is the part of the throat immediately behind the mouth. In fish, the slits are modified to form gills, but in some other chordates, they are part of filter feeding system that extract particles from food from the water in which the animal live. So presence of pharyngeal gill slits is the key feature of chordates. And endostyle. This is a groove in the ventral wall of the pharynx. In filter feeding species, it produces mucus to gather food particles, which helps in transporting food to the esophagus. It also stores iodine and may be a precursor of the vertebrate thyroid gland. All chordates are deuterostomes. What are deuterostomes? This means that during the embryo development stage, the anus forms before the mouth. All chordates are coelomates. It means that their body have a true coelom. Body consists of a space or body cavity between the gut and the body wall, and it is filled body cavity called the coelom with a complete lining called peritoneum derived from mesoderm. All chordates are based on a bilateral body plan. Body is divisible into two equal halves by a single median plane. Right and left have all equal mirages of each other. Hence the chordates, they have a bilateral body symmetry. Did you understood? Okay. Now listen carefully. The general characters of phylum chordates. Chordates animals, they have aquatic, aerial or terrestrial habitat. All free living with no fully parasitic forms. Body small to large, bilaterally symmetrical and metamerically segmented. As earlier I have told you that the chordates may be small or may be large, such as a gigantic blue whale or a small aquatic fish. So body small to large, having bilateral symmetry and metamerically segmented. Third character, a post-anal tail usually projects beyond the anus at some stage and may or may not persist in the adult. Post-anal tail is the posterior elongation of the body which extends from the anus and it is surrounded by a muscle layer, and it helps for the animal for propulsion purpose in water. Chordates have both endoskeleton as well as exoskeleton. In some chordates, endoskeleton is made up of cartilage, and in some chordates, endoskeleton is made up of bones. It is bony. Chordates have the exoskeleton. Exoskeleton often persists, well developed in most vertebrates. Fifth character, body wall triploblastic with three germinal layers: ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Chordates are coelomate animal having a true coelom. Coelom is enterocolic, schizocilic in origin. The key characteristic feature of a chordate, that is a presence of a notochord. Notochord is a skeletal rod which is made up of cartilage, which is present at some stage in life cycle. A cartilaginous or bony endoskeleton present in the majority of the chordate members. Another one key characteristic feature of the chordates, that is pharyngeal gill slits, present at some stage, may or may not be functional. Blood vascular system is closed type. Heart is ventral in position with dorsal and ventral blood vessels. Hepatic portal system is well developed in chordate animals. In chordate animal, digestive system is complete with digestive glands. The excretion occurs with the help of proto or meso or metanephric kidneys. Nerve cord dorsal and tubular, anterior and usually enlarged to form the brain. In chordate, central nervous system is well developed and it is dorsal in position and it is tubular in nature. In chordate, sexes are separate. It means that male and female individuals are separate with rare exceptions. So they can sexually differentiated by externally, that is they show clear cut sexual dimorphisms. Some examples of chordates animals such as Petromyzon, commonly known as lamprey, it is a cyclostomata, it is a small parasitic fish. Myxine, commonly called as a hagfish, both Petromyzon and Myxine, they belong to the cyclostomata. Scoliodon, commonly name is dogfish. Labio, Rohita, common name is rohu, both are economical fishes. Lizard, Naja, it is a poisonous snake. Penguin, pigeon, emu, rat, homo, that is the genus of the human being. Kangaroo, elephant, rabbit, etc. They are the representative examples of phylum Chordates, as they have the notochord at certain stages of their life. They have pharyngeal gill slits. They have a post-anal tail. Hence, they are the chordate animals. Did you understood? Thank you. If you have any question, please feel to ask me.